Ito ang may sarap ng klasik lutong.
Antahan natin pampatulog. Tulog na, tulog na. Tulog. I must be crazy now. Maybe I drink too much. But when I think of you, I long to feel your touch. To whisper in your ear words that are bold and time. Words only you would hear if only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should my make my move when you look in my eyes. Cause by now I know that you feel the way that I do. And I whisper this word as you're right here by my side. Tulog na! I love you. Please say you love me too. Tulog na! These three words, they could change our life forever. Promise you that we'll always be together till the end of time. Tulog na! Ganda ang boses eh, no? So today I finally find that carry deep inside just a walk right up to your door. But my body can't move when I finally get you just 1,000 times before. Then without a word he handed me this letter. That I hope this finds a way to your heart. It said, I love you. Let's say you love me too. These two words, they could change our lives forever. But I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. Well, maybe I need a little love. And maybe I need a little care. And maybe maybe you, oh, you need somebody just to hold you. If you do, just reach out and I'll be there. You say you love me too. It's the words that will change our life forever. And I promise you that we will always be together. Tulog si baby.